Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Nourish Mantra Muted Magic Matte Liquid Lipstick Combo with SPF 15, a set of 4 mini lipsticks, each 1.2 ml packed with nude and brown shades that promise to suit all skin tones while being waterproof, smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and long-lasting. Perfect for everyday glam or on-the-go touch-ups. Let's dive in and see if this kit lives up to its claims. First up, the packaging. It's sleek, compact, and travel-friendly. These minis fit right in my purse. Inside, we've got 4 shades: Masoom Pink, Ted Hameda, Hazelnut Spice and Shanti, and Nat Cat Berry, all matte with a creamy finish. I started with Masoom Pink, a soft nude pink. I swiped it on with the applicator, and it's velvety smooth and super pigmented. One stroke, and my lips popped. Next, Ted Hameda Hazelnut, a warm brown nude. Its rich blends effortlessly and feels weightless, no stickiness at all. Then Spice and Shanti, a deeper nude with a subtle glow. I wore it all day and it stayed vibrant, no fading even after lunch. Finally, Nat Cat Berry, a bold nude berry mix. It's stunning and lasted hours without touch-ups. These are enriched with jojoba oil, vitamin E, and shea butter. My lips felt hydrated, not dry like some mattes, and the SPF 15 is a bonus for sun protection. I tested the waterproof claim, splashed water on my lips and nothing budged. Same with smudge and transfer, kissed a tissue and no mark. This set is vegan, paraben-free, and affordable. Not luxury, but amazing value for daily wear or gifting. Want to see them in action? Stay tuned for my next video with a full look using these shades. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me which shade you'd try or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.